A variety of hanging leg raises are another option for your monkey foot. When setting up for this, make sure that you can touch the pull-up bar with your hands and the floor simultaneously. If this is set too high and you drop down, you risk spraining an ankle or breaking the monkey foot. Here's a few ideas for hanging leg raises. There's a multitude of things that you could do. Get creative. Firstly, the one I just showed you, bent knee, hip flexor raise. You're gonna be strengthening the hip flexor here. You could do straight leg. I'm not going to with the weighted leg because my legs are heavy enough as is. But if you're jacked, feel free to load it and get that leg raise up. Next, you could do some running exercises, hanging, little hurdle work. You could even do some hamstring flexion. So you could, nice hanging hamstring variation, just to change it up from the traditional variations that you're using on benches and whatnot. Enjoy, get jacked.